This one's called a Chappara. This drink is nothing to brag about at best. David Embury hates mixed drinks. The Havana bar that makes a specialty of it does not ice and shake it, but mixes it in advance and leaves it several days in the refrigerator to ripen. Ripen is in quotes. Ugh! He wrote ugh with an exclamation point. Every principle of cocktail mixing is violated, with the result that one would expect. Anyways, without further ado, here comes a Chappara to your face. Starts off with 1 part Italian vermouth. After that, we're looking at 1 part Gold Label rum. I started off with a half part, because usually these are like really thick drinks. It's just 1-to-1, so I'm going to do another one of these of vermouth, and then just a big one of the Bacardi. It's still 1-to-1. 1 part, 1 part. 1 part Gold Rum. Boop, Bacardi Gold, baby. And then this part was kind of weird to me. I'm not really sure what to do here because it's a little confusing. Maybe I'm just dumb. But it says, the peel of an entire lime thoroughly squeezed. My thought is, you're not going to just squeeze the hell out of a peel on its own. So I think you're just supposed to take this entire lime, squeeze it into the drink, and then, you know, throw the peel in with the drink. So that's what we'll do. We'll cut this thing in half. Danger, danger. Can't squeeze it more thoroughly than this. Pop! And we'll just let this bad boy drop in there. Another one. Bonk. Shake this thing up. And that's it. Pour it into a glass and we're good to go. It's just gonna look like a okay, so I kind of agree with David here. This is a very drink that makes you go, ugh, based on the look of it. But we'll give it a try. We'll see what it's like.
Is it garbage?
It looks like someone just dumped out what was left over in the sink.
Toilet water.
Straight up.
I mean, it just smells good. Like.
I mean, I bet it's gonna be fun because it's just rum and lime, so it's gonna taste.
It's just very limey.
Yeah.
It's actually not bad at all. It just tastes like lime juice, but not as sour. That's actually pretty.
It's actually really good. Looks like trash.
Drink it out of like a plastic cup, like
no, don't. You gotta drink it like this because this looks hilarious. It's just so like all the lime peel in there and everything.
Kitty cup.
Holy crap! It's hilarious looking.
It's pretty good.
It's actually really tasty. I'm pretty pleased with it. Oh yeah, like and subscribe. Do the things in the buttons.